how to send USDT from OKX to Binance. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can send USDT from OKX to Binance. So kindly watch this video till the end. The first step is to sign in into your account, that is signing into your OKX account. And then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. So on this page, you can see different options, and then the next thing to do is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see two options, exchange and wallet. Just go ahead and click on wallet so as you can be taken to your wallet page. Okay, so the next thing to do is to wait for the wallet to load. So once that's loaded, you'll be brought to this page. Now on this page, if you have a wallet already, just click on I already have one. If not, click on create wallet, and then you have to select the kind of wallet that you want to create. Then you can click create wallet. Then you ask to type in a password. Just follow through all of these processes. So after following through the processes, your wallet will be created, just like you can see on my screen. Now after your wallet has been created, the next thing to do is to go back to the top part of the screen where you can see the exchange and wallet option. Now click on exchange. After clicking on exchange, you will go to the exchange page. So on this page, the next thing to do is to navigate through to the withdrawal option. To get there, go to the top left corner of the screen where you can see a group of dots and click on it. After clicking on these dots, you will be taken to your profiles page. On this page, you can see different tabs such as the shortcuts tab, the manage asset, trade, etc. Just go ahead and move to the manage assets tab. So under this tab, there are different options like buy, sell, deposit, withdraw, P2P trading. So just go ahead and click on withdraw. Okay. After clicking on withdraw, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to select your withdrawal method. So once you're on this page, the next thing to do is to choose your method of withdrawal. Do you want to use on chain or not? Ensure you select it, and then in the wallet and the wallet address box displayed, ensure you enter in your Binance USD deposit wallet. Okay, yes, so ensure you input your Binance USDT deposit address. Ensure you do not make mistakes, so double check this address to avoid any mistake. Then you can also confirm the transfer after verifying it using your Google Authenticator or the verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Now, the reason why mine is displaying this instead of the withdrawal methods page is because I have not verified my account. Before you can withdraw any money on OKX, you have to ensure that you have verified your account. You've carried out every form of verification. So ensure you've carried this out if you have not, and then just go ahead and follow the processes that I've shown you in this video, and you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a good day.